bike check. I got an Alienation Delinquent back rim, chromed out, laced to a 9-tooth cassette hub. Joytech, I think it is. Yep. Duo Stunner. Duo brand. Duo Stunner back tread. It's pretty good. It's brand new. 25-2 sprocket. Sealed bearings. It's very nice. 2-piece cranks. Brand new 2-piece cranks, by the way. Other ones broke, so they sent me some new ones. Animal Hamilton pedals. Unsealed. Still grippy. Kink Bike Co. pivotal seat and seat post. Kink frame. Kink Apex frame. It used to be black, now it's grayed. Just took the paint off and it turned that color. Odyssey Chase Hawk signature grips. Kink Badger bars. Just a regular old stem. Odyssey Classic race forks. Alienation Black Sheep front rim with a sealed front hub. It's just a front hub. I don't know what kind. And that's pretty much it. The Kink Apex 2009. It's a great bike. I mean, it's just a really good bike. The 2010 miles are out now. Those ones are probably better. Yeah, they are better, by the way. But it's just, I love this bike. I recommend Kink bikes, no matter what. Not Too Hip, not Miraco, not DK, not Haro, not Verde. Kink. There it is.